These gloves are sleek, lightweight, and ultra thin and weighing just 180 grams, but don't let their lightweight nature fool you. They are made with durable and stretchy fabric that feels super comfortable on your hands. It has a two USB-C cable that connected to the USB-A cable, and there is an adapter that you can charge easily. And the non-slip pad on the palm is a game changer. Whether you are holding your phone or any tool that you have a firm grip, even cold weather. Because they are fingerless, they give you full freedom to type and swipe on touch screen or perform precise tasks like shooting or the photography. Battery life is another strong point that depends on the heat setting that you can enjoy up to 3 hours of cozy warmth. So if you are looking for a way to keep your hands warm this winter without sacrificing mobility, the heated fingerless gloves are a fantastic option. Whether you're typing, working outdoor, or enjoying winter hobby, these gloves have got you covered.